welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making something very simple, which is veggie broth. The color will depend on all the veggies you use, but it's practically the same thing. So every time I use any kind of veggies when I'm gonna cook, I wash them very well, like so, and take the parts that I'm not going to be using, like this from the green onions. Next step is to put everything on a Ziploc bag or a freezer bag or bowl, whatever you have that can go to the freezer and you can get a good amount. So what I use is the leftovers, or not the leftovers, it's the stuff that we don't use from the veggies, like this from the zucchini, and I'm gonna show you all the other stuff that I have here already frozen, like potato peel, the end of the onions, asparagus, whatever, and we just add it. And I actually have some carrot. We can also use the skin of garlic, you know, that thing that left over from the garlic when you use this, and the stems of cilantro. If you use parsley instead, don't add it in the next step that you'll see. So once we have all the bag, we're going to be adding these spices. You can, if you don't want, you don't have to add salt, but I do. And down below I will list all these ingredients. Once we have our full bag frozen, what we're gonna be using is I'm using a Instapot, but if you have a stock pot, just cook it for 30 to 60 minutes on low heat and let it cool off. It doesn't have to be completely, but you'll know. I'm just showing you here all the veggies that I have, and we add the spices, and we're gonna be adding some water. The water does not have to cover the whole thing because this is gonna be cooking with pressure, and also when you cook, everything, you know, kind of like goes down a little bit, so you don't need to fill up the whole pot. So we cook this for 3 minutes only, pressure, high pressure, 3 minutes, and that's it, guys. That is it. And we let it rest, you know, for a little bit, and once it's ready to open, we just, you know, mix it to get all the spices well in the broth. And we are gonna we're gonna remove all the veggies, and then we can put them in the compost. Remember, this doesn't have oil, so this is a good thing too. And once we have all the veggies, we are gonna push down like so, so all the good juices of all the cooked veggies are gonna go down, and it's gonna be really flavorful. If you don't want to add salt, you can do that, because then you can use it for a soup or something, right? So once we do that, you can use it right away for a soup, like I was gonna do right here, and the rest, it only lasts like 3 to 5 days in the fridge, so I freeze it, and that is the best way to do it. And whenever I want, I just use it, like you will see in the next picture or video, yeah, like that. So I use a couple of them, and then you can add water or whatever, and that's it. So simple. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.